Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class I discussed about the internal energy formula. Delta U is equal to NCV dt, or you can add delta T. Delta T means large chain, dt means small chain. So anyone given you have to remember. If here dt is there, mean I wanted here du, and you have to remember delta U is equal to Q at constant volume. Another one is delta H is equal to NCP dt. Here also delta H is equal to Q at constant pressure. Next, heat is equal to NCV dt. Okay, or C, this C only, right, because it may be CV or CP. If here CV is there at constant volume, its CP is there at constant pressure. And next one is work formula. What is that? According to our chemistry, in IUPAC convention, minus compulsory will be there, P external into dV, otherwise minus integration P delta V. If these formulas we have to use for calculation of work. So minus symbol is not there in our physics, but minus symbol will be there in our chemistry due to IUPAC convention. So now system will be there here. To this system, work is done on this system, therefore W is equal to positive. If work is done by the system, therefore W is equal to negative. Heat absorbed by the system, therefore plus Q. It means Q equal to positive. Heat absorbed by the system. Heat lost by the system, Q is equal to negative. Now keep in mind, they will use the different terms to confuse the students. Now here system, work done, therefore it is done, that's why it lost. Work cannot be negative. Keep in mind, energy and work cannot be negative. This sign indicating in our chemistry, it is done, it means it is something lost, that purpose only negative sign, otherwise no, it's not the negative work not there here. So now here system work done, it means, for example, system is ideal gas, work done by the ideal gas mean W is, work is negative. This word again they may give in the reverse way, work done on the surrounding, which is done here, system done, therefore that is also negative. We are, whatever the work is speaking with respect to which one, system, but the changed word is work done on the surrounding, which is done on the surrounding, system done. System done mean what is that? Negative. So don't confuse. Again they may use word work done on the system, therefore positive. On this it is something done, therefore positive. But they may use word work done by the surrounding. Work done by the surrounding mean what is that? With respect to system, that is positive, because surrounding done on the system. So don't confuse with these words. Here also heat absorbed by the system or heat lost by the surrounding. Heat lost surrounding means which is gain here? System gain. Here also Q, which is loss here, heat, system loss, heat lost by the system, otherwise heat gained by the surrounding, both meaning this is only heat equal to negative. So these terms are very, very important. So if you remember, based on that we will solve the problems. Okay. Now question is, which has maximum internal energy at 298 Kelvin? Question, which has maximum internal energy, you mean internal energy, at 290 Kelvin. Option A, neon gas, B, nitrogen gas, C, ozone gas, D, all equal. Then How to answer this is, we have the formula NCV/dt. All our gases are there. This is monoatomic, this is diatomic, this is triatomic. Okay, therefore more number of atom, more vibrational energy will be there, more bond energy also is there. So because it is sum of all kinds of energy, therefore answer will be C. Next, determine which of the following reaction taking place at constant pressure represent the system that do work on the surrounding environment. Determine the following reaction taking place at constant pressure. Reaction taking place at constant pressure represent the system that do work on the surrounding. System do work on surrounding. Then first one is Roman letter 1, Ag plus Cl minus aqueous, actually I am not writing that, AgCl precipitate form. Second one Roman letter is ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride gives the ammonium plus HCl gas. And this is third one, 2NH3 gas gives rise to N2 gas plus 3H2 gas. Then here this is aqueous, this is aqueous, this is solid, this is solid, this is gas, this is also gas. Okay, here options are given: 1 Roman letter 1, B Roman letter 3, option C Roman letter 2 and 3, D 1 and 2. Here according to this statement, what they are asking, system that do work on surrounding. System do work on surrounding means this is system did work on the surrounding means W equal to negative. W equal to negative here. First read the question. Calculate the delta Ng. Delta Ng mean what is that? Delta Ng is equal number of moles of product, number of moles of reactant that should be in gaseous state. Okay. Therefore, in this reaction, this is solid, this is aqueous, not there. Here, gas, 2 gas are there, and 2 minus 0, that is 2. In this case, 1 plus 3, 4, therefore 4 minus 2, therefore this is 2. Okay. So now keep in mind, system do work on surrounding, on environment. Then we know that W is equal to what is that? P delta V, and P delta V is nothing but what is that? nRT. PV is equal to nRT. So if you use this formula, but in the formula we have negative term, the negative, therefore here negative is there, when here also negative, therefore W equal to, here also you will get minus 2, here also you will get minus 2, therefore which is work done here? 2 and 3, therefore option C is correct. Clear? So like this question will ask in the competitive exam, you have to remember this. And now a system undergoes a process in which delta E, because in old book internal energy is given as a E, U is equal to E in old books. According to our new books, this is U, internal energy. Old book if you read, that is E given. So internal energy of the system Q, internal energy is equal to given as plus 300 joules. While absorbing 400 joules of heat, Q, absorbing plus, here not given plus, I am only writing absorbing 400 joules of heat, 400 joules of heat, and undergoing an expansion against pressure is given pressure is 0.5 bar. 0.5 bar. What is the change in volume in liter? They are asking delta V. Change in what is that? Delta. Change in volume, how much in liter? Okay, like this given. Then what you have to follow? First law of thermodynamics formula, you know that. First law of thermodynamics formula, delta U is equal to Q plus, what is that? W. That is delta U is equal to Q, W equal to what is the formula? Minus P delta V. Delta U given how much? 300 joules. This is how much? 400 joules. Minus P external how much? 0.5 bar. And this will be how much? Delta V. We have to calculate this. Therefore, if it is come left side, then plus 0.5 bar into delta V is equal 400 minus 300, that is 100 joules. Then delta V is equal to 100 joules by 0.5 bar. Okay. Then how much this is? Point goes numerator 1000 by 5. Then this how much? 200 joule per bar. Then here the given option is, option note down, this is 4 and this is B 5, C 2 and D 3. Then what we got here? This is joule, this is bar. So you have to convert into joule by bar. Like this formula, is there anywhere? We got 200 joule bar inverse, but we got here only 2. It means this is equal to 100 joule bar inverse is equal to how much? 1. Therefore 2 into 1, this is answer. So you have to know that unit conversion also. Next, 1 mole of an ideal gas at 25 degrees Celsius expand in volume 1 to 4 liter. Ideal gas. Question is ideal gas expand 1 to 10 liter at constant pressure. Constant pressure. So not constant, constant temperature. What work in joules is done? What work in joules is done if the gas expands against vacuum? Options are given here. Minus 4.0 into 10 power 2, B minus 3 into 10 power 2, C minus 1 into 10 power 2, D 0. So keep in mind, any time if they give vacuum word, now this is a considered no medium is there, it is in vacuum. It means P external is 0. Now this is a gas present in this is a gas considered. This gas expanding. Okay. Then formula what is that? W is equal to minus P external into what is that? dV. Whatever this gas expand. Now this is V1 volume expand up to this one. This is V2 consider. This is equal to 1, this is equal to 10. Therefore, minus P external into dV mean what is that? Change expansion V2 minus V1. Actually, this dV mean what is that? V2 minus V1. 10 minus 1. But this is how much? Minus into 0 into 9. Then what is that? 0. Because External pressure here 0, because in vacuum there is no gas. No gas means there is no compression. Keep in mind, whatever this expansion takes place in vacuum, that is always irreversible. That is also one question. The ideal gas expand in vacuum, that reaction is reversible or irreversible, mean always irreversible, because to come reverse back something force should be press, but not their gas, therefore only one direction it takes place. Very, very important question like this. Next, 2 mole of zinc. Here one question is 2 mole of zinc is dissolved in HCl at 25 degrees Celsius. The work done in open vessel is, options are given here, minus 2.477 joule, and B option is minus 4.955 joule, kilojoule, that is not joule, kilojoule. C option is 0.0489 kilojoule, D none. Then first what you have to do, read the question. 2 mole of zinc dissolved in HCl at 25 degrees Celsius. The work done in open vessel is, then work done formula, what is that? See, question, 2 mole of zinc dissolved in HCl. 2 moles of zinc dissolved in HCl, then it form ZnCl2 plus hydrogen gas comes out, H2. Then here should be 2 chlorine is there, mean 2 hydrogen, 2 zinc, mean 1 zinc. Then here also 2, then here should be 4, then here 2. Then W equal to what is there? Minus P delta V. Then minus, but here pressure not given and volume also not given. Then what you have to consider, this is temperature given, only temperature given. What is the temperature? 25 degrees Celsius. Then this is solid, this may be aqueous, this is aqueous, then what is that here? This is gas form. Therefore, we know that P delta V is equal, or PV is equal to what? nRT. Then N is how much? 2. Therefore, 2. R value, here joules given, joules mean R value is how much? 8.314, and T is how much? 25 degrees Celsius, always Kelvin temperature we have to take. Okay, otherwise 2 mole units also write better, then you will know answer. 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse, mole inverse, and 298 Kelvin. Kelvin is cancel, mole inverse cancel, then you will get the joules only. Okay, then here this can be represented as 25 by 3, and this is 2, and this is 298. Roughly I will write the 300, because only 2 digits change is there. Then these three cancel, then this is 200 and this is 25, otherwise this is considered 2500 into 2, 2500 into 2, 25 into 2 how much? Nearly 50, and this is 0, 2 zeros, and here joule is the joule. Therefore, this can be represented as a kilo. There 5 into kilojoules is there. Nearly which value is there? 5. Then B option is there. Like this we can answer roughly, because rough calculation is very, very important. Okay. Next, one more question here. Heat absorbed by a system on going through a cyclic process Here some process are there. What are the process? First you should know that, because I am explaining the concept through the question. One is isothermal process. Isothermal process, meaning what is that? dt is 0. T is constant. Don't write T equal to 0. T is constant, but change in temperature is 0. T is constant. And isobaric process, here dP is 0, P constant. Next, but P is not 0. Isochoric process means dV is 0, V is constant. And adiabatic process means what is that? Q is constant. And next, here only Q is constant, not change in heat is constant. Only Q, heat is constant, not exchanging. Another one is cyclic process. Cyclic process means delta U is 0, or any thermodynamic property delta U, delta H, delta G, delta S all are 0 for cyclic process. So if you remember this cyclic mean what is that? This is a starting point, again it goes number of steps and again come back to its original position, that is called cyclic process. It may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. So based on that we will solve the question. Now you know that heat absorbed by a system is going through a cyclic process shown in figure. They given here figure. Okay. Then question I am writing here, heat absorbed by a system going through a cyclic process. You have to do this question shown in figure. That figure I am giving here. This is pressure in kilopascal. This is volume in liter. Then here cyclic process given like this. This is clockwise direction. At this 30 volume, at this volume is 10 liter. Here pressure in kilopascal is 10, here is 30. So you have to calculate the heat, because W is equal to what is that? Q. If you calculate the W, that is Q, but sign will be different, because here heat absorbed by the system going through system mean nothing given here. Then cyclic, this is cyclic mean what is that? Already I told you that delta U equal to 0. When delta U equal to 0, delta U formula we know, delta U is equal to NCV dt. So it is 0 mean this T, what is that? Change in temperature is 0. Therefore T is constant. T constant meaning what is that? Isothermal. So based on this we can write delta U is equal to Q plus W. This is 0, this is Q plus W. Therefore W is equal to what is it? Minus Q. So first calculate the W, then sign opposite. And here options are given. Option I will give here. A is 10 power 7 pi joule, B 10 power 6 pi joules, and C is 10 power 2 pi joules, D 10 power 4 pi joules. Okay, then how to calculate this? Here pi symbol also came, but anywhere in this question pi is not appearing. Mean what is it? Work done is equal to minus P delta V. This is a formula, we know that. This is pressure, this is volume for circle, and we know that whatever circle area under this circle is known as a work done. Then what is the area for circle? Pi r square minus this is total is equal to what is it? Pi r square. Okay, then this r is like this. Okay, this r is like this. So this 10 to 30 minus 10, what is it? Total 20. This total diameter is 20. In that half, how much? Minus pi. Pi only we want radius, then it is 10. This radius also how much? 10. 10 square. Okay, r square. Therefore, which option will be correct here? Then automatically it is in the joule only. C option correct. C option only. Okay, so like this you have to answer. This is very, very important. It looks very easiest, but you have to conclude from this point to this to this. So it is actually very good question only. So here both concepts are I covered. So similarly I given circle. Next one more is triangle shape I will give. An ideal gas taken around the cycle. The cycle is A, B, C, A, shown in figure or diagram. Here given, this is a diagram like this. This is A, this is B, this is C. And here, this is called clockwise. This is called P1, this is called 6P1. This is called V1, this is called 3V1. This is volume line, this is pressure line. Okay, now keep in mind one more rank short first option note and later we'll give. Option A 12P1 V1, B 6P1 V1, C 5P1 V1, D P1 V1. So I will give one rank shortcut. Remember here, clockwise W is negative, anti-clockwise, correct? And it's same like this only, like this. Anti-clockwise W is equal to positive. Okay, this you have to remember. Now we know that formula W is equal to minus P delta V. So whatever the area under this closed circle is called work done. Therefore this is called P line, this is called V line. Then this is a pressure, that is called minus P2 minus P1. Pressure line this is. Therefore 6P1 minus P1, this is volume line, that is called 3V1 minus V1, because and half also we know that. What is half? This right angle triangle area is equal to half of base into height. Base, this is height, this is. So height is how much here? This is 6P1 minus P1 is height and this is base. Like this we can calculate 6P1 minus 1P1 is what? W is equal to minus half of 5P1. This is 3V1 minus 1V1 is 2V1. Therefore this is cancelled. Therefore minus 5P1 V1. Then which option is there here? Then you may confuse. Sir, here you got minus, but here minus not there. Okay, no problem, because work is cannot be negative. Sign only indicates that is a work done by the system. So if negative sign not there, mean according to that option we have to choose, that is a C option. Okay.